pull that metal thing off. Comes off. Hey gang, welcome to the channel. And for those of you that have subscribed, thank you very much. I much appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the videos. And today we're going to do a little bit of tire repair. I bought a set of tires early summer. Went to the Carnivores. I like the way the Carnivores worked on the KRX that Neil has. And I put the Carnivores on and we run them most of the summer. They're a little bit smoother ride than the STX or STIs I have. Those ones are a pretty rugged tire and they're rough. And these rode a little better. But anyway, we got a hole in the tire. So actually we got two holes. When we did the loop around Ayers Lake, that hole there is 4 plugs deep. 4 plugs to get her to stop. And then there's another one right there. I think that one was 1 plug, maybe 2, but I think it was only 1. Anyway, last winter, right about this time of year, we were doing some running out through McLean Road there, and Neil had a set of these on his KRX, and he put a stick right through the sidewall, about the size of my little finger, right through there. Well, I chatted with the mechanic that I had taken the tire down to take it off the rim, and said I was going to put a patch inside to plug it, or asked him what he had for suggestion. He said, well, a patch won't hold well because of the flex within the sidewall. And so we weren't quite sure what we were going to do. Happened to talk to a buddy of mine, and he's a mechanic, a retired mechanic, and he suggested window urethane. So that's what we put that patch on Neil's tire. So he ran that all the rest of the winter and all summer, all fall, and had no issues with that tire after that. So the window urethane seemed to work really, really well. So that's what we're going to do with these. And we're going to use what they call a plug patch. So we're going to put these in and plug those holes with the window urethane and get them sealed up, and then get them back on the buggy here once I get the tracks off. So I thought, well, I have the tracks on, I'll fix this tire and we'll get them fixed and ready to go before the mudding season starts. All right, so I'm going to gather up some stuff here, and I'm going to show you how I do this. I wonder if I can clamp onto that, these vice grips, pull this plug out. You suppose? No wonder it leaks. All right, so right there, you can see it pretty good. So I'm going to clean the inside of the tire with some methyl hydrate. I'll clean any dust and crap off of it. Good, bad, I don't know. So I'm going to take my handy dandy plug here. The biggest problem with this, once you open this tube, you're pretty much done with it, because it will harden up probably by the time you have another flat. But if it fixes it this time, we're good to go. All right. So I'm going to do is I'm going to gunk this up real good right here. I don't know if I'll be able to show it to you. Squeeze it all out. That's you're going to poke it right in the hole. Thick stuff. Actually, it'll work a lot better cut the tip off of it. So let's see if I can use my phone for some lighting. Put a little bit of light in here, see if we can see it. So I'm going to put some of this stuff right there. I'm making sure I'm big enough for the patch. I'm going to take the patch and take the I'd take that off. So this is somewhat sticky. This covering keeps it clean. I'm going to shove it through the hole. So, I'm going to try to grab it and see. I got my fingers in it. This side. So that is tight. So what I'm going to do is pull on that, clamp it, and that puts a little pressure in it. So it's all sealed in there. Let's see if I can get this crap off my fingers. As you can see, I got it all patched up real nice. The vice grips will put a little pressure on it, and we're going to let that sit overnight. So it'll dry up real nice, but it will stay flexible. Now we're going to do the big one. Do the same thing. It's not a wonder it didn't hold. See the size of that bugger? Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to put this through here. And clean a little bit in here. Alright, so this little metal tab it's hard, so it helps you put it through. I'm going to push it through the hole. Now I'm going to put again, I'm going to take the vice grip and I'm going to pull on the tab. We're going to pull that metal thing off. It comes off. And grab the rubber. Have a look. And that will put pressure on it. little more in there just to... All right. Messy stuff. All right, so see if I can get the light shining there. You can see the patch, and that will stay even once it hardens. It's sticky crap. Well, even once it hardens, that will stay flexible. So I'm hoping that's going to work. I know it worked on Neil's, and it should work on this one. So we'll put her together. We'll see if we got any more holes, and if we have to, we'll take it apart again. But I'm thinking it's pretty good. All right, till the next adventure. Later.